what should I call you guys? Aha! I know! I'll call you guys the Art Hearts. That's kind of cheesy though. Wait, I have an even better idea. How about I call you guys, you guys? Wow, I can't believe nobody has ever thought of that one. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a watermelon. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's go! Okay, so first we're going to need a pencil, and we coincidentally have a pencil that is the color of watermelon. Like, it's green here and pink on this side. Let me just pump out some of the lead so we can get started. First, you're going to want to start off with a curve like this. If you want, you can adjust it until it's the perfect shape for you. Next, draw a smaller curve on the inside. When you're done with that, it should look like a banana. If you need to, go ahead and erase any excess pencil marks. So far, this is what we got. Next, connect the two tips together. I skipped a spot to leave room for a bite mark. To draw one, just make half of a cloud shape from end to end. Now let's outline that in black. You don't have to though. Next, we're going to color the watermelon in using my previous shading technique. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like if the tutorial helped you at all. Stay safe, bye!